All right, let's talk about how AI is making quality management way smarter and a whole lot faster.
For years, quality management has just been about finding problems after they've already happened.
Yeah, that old reactive approach just can't keep up with how fast industries move today.
But now, AI offers a powerful new way to manage quality. It's a real game changer.
So how does it actually work? Well, AI has 3 core superpowers that make it so effective. First up, it automates all those repetitive tasks, which frees up your team for more important stuff. Second, it basically acts like a crystal ball, predicting defects before they can even happen. And third, it's always watching. It monitors everything constantly, catching tiny issues humans might miss.
Okay, so what does this actually mean for a business? Well, it boils down to 3 huge benefits.
And wow, the difference is night and day. AI just crushes it on accuracy, speed, and decision-making.
Okay, that's the theory, but let's see how this actually plays out in the real world.
So, a major car maker put an AI system in place, analyzing data from literally everywhere.
And the result? They slashed their quality-related costs by a whopping 30%. That's huge. And get this, customer satisfaction shot up by 20%. You just can't argue with those numbers.
And hey, it's not just cars. This AI revolution is touching pretty much every critical industry.
In manufacturing, for instance, AI spots defects early, which means a whole lot less waste.
With medical devices, there's zero room for error. AI is what guarantees that incredible precision. In pharma, AI actually speeds up innovation while keeping everything locked down for compliance.
And for food and drinks, it means safety and consistency, all the way from farm to table. So what's the engine that's actually powering this massive change? Let's take a look. It's all about the cloud QMS. This is the foundation that makes the whole AI revolution possible. Think of it as a central hub for all your data, analysis, and teamwork, accessible anywhere, anytime.
So, when you combine AI and the cloud, well, it's way more than just a simple upgrade.
It's a total paradigm shift. It's creating a future where excellence is just the new normal. Which really leaves just one big question. Is your business ready for this new standard of quality?